Routine grounds us when emotions feel unstable. Depression throws life off beat, and that's the truth. Things that used to be easy to do become so hard and draggy, like it becomes scary to even think about wanting to do them. That's how depression feels. But even a simple routine can be an anchor. For an example, I wake up, I know that the first thing I'm to do is to reach out for a glass of water. Or I wake up and the first thing I'm to do is to say my grace or say thanks, to God for what I have, for the sleep, for the gift of life, for waking up. Even if I don't feel like getting off the bed, I just know that once I open my eyes in the morning, I need to give thanks. That's a routine. Now, things like wake up time, meal time, bedtime, consistency creates safety. So we know that at a certain time, this is what happens. When we work with clients who are autistic and the autism spectrum, one of the things that helps them is knowing that everything works in particular rhythm and routine. So don't aim for perfection. Remember, earlier on we were talking about perfection being a killer. It actually deepens depression. So just find one rhythm you can restore today. It may be something that's been thrown off balance. It could be that you have 5 minutes of reflection or journaling time and you've not been able to do that. So find one rhythm to restore today. Your reflection is, what's one small daily habit that would support your mental health? Remember, when it has to do with your mental health, you need to be patient, you need to give yourself time, and you need to reflect. Your task is to choose and commit to one simple daily practice for the next 4 days. We're going to be here with you. So for the next 4 days, choose and complete one simple daily task that you're going to practice for the next 4 days. And of course, we're available to hold your hands at every point. Just send us a DM and you can join the community. It's like our wellness community on WhatsApp. You'll see the link in the description box below. Thank you for your time.
I know this video has been of help to you. Encourage us by clicking the like button. Also share with your loved one and click the notification bell. Subscribe for more info.